This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, welcome to Nadeem Automation classes. So basically like today we need to discuss about the Java interview questions which are generally asked in the tech IT companies. So so basically most of the candidates who are going to give the interview in the tech IT companies who are really very fear to write the codes in front of interviewers. So this video basically give you the idea how to write the interview questions and what are the important interview questions which you will face during the interview. So for this, let me share my screen. Let me share my clips screen to you. Yeah. So in this case, like I have already created automation Java project as you see in the left hand side package explorer. So in this we have a JRE system library because in my system I have installed the Java 1.8.0 version, and inside that we have a source folder. So inside this folder we need to create a package, and inside that like we will write our Java interview questions. So one by one, like today's video is regarding the one of the most important Java interview questions which we will discuss, and in the subsequent videos I will create a video and I will post it into the in my YouTube channel. So let me create a new package. That package name is Java project. I will give, so package name always start with the small letters, so you have to take care of these things and click of finish. So in this package Java project, I am going to create a one Java class in which I will write a code for reverse a string. So first very important interview question, that is reverse string. Reverse string. So I'm giving the reverse string as a class name, and I am selecting the public static void main. The reason behind that is the main is a by default class present in the Java which is responsible to execute the program. Click on finish. So once I click on finish, basically I will get a class. I will get a blueprint, you can say, as a template which I get where I will write the code for the reverse string. So basically a string can be reversed in different type of ways. So I will show you two types here. One is by using the string buffer and another is without using the string buffer. So let me first of all show you how you will reverse the string using the string buffer. So let's first of all assign a string in a str of my name, suppose Nadeem. Okay, so this is a string which I need to reverse it. So output should be MEEDAN. So how will I do that? So one of the simplest ways to store the same string in the string buffer and reverse it. So how we will reverse the string? We're using the string buffer because reverse method is available in the string buffer, and from that we can easily reverse it. So for this we need to create a string buffer object. So I am importing from the java.lang because the string buffer is a class which is present under the java.lang package basically. So I am creating a string buffer class, a string buffer object sb equal to new of a string buffer. So this is the way how you can create an object of any class. This is the one of the traditional way we have. So I need to convert this string to the string buffer. So how I will do that? So I have to pass the str in the string buffer. So whatever the string we have passed here, that string will automatically convert into the string buffer by this line. Now the next thing is, as I told you, like there is a string, there is a reverse method present in the string buffer. From this we can reverse it easily. So we will write sb.reverse, and reverse method is coming from the string buffer, and we can easily reverse it. And after reversing it, we will simply print it system out println, and inside that reverse string is sb. Plus we can see, and we can write sb. So when we execute this program, then you will able to see my reverse string will be MEETAN. So as you can see the output, my reverse string is this one. So I should create in a very proper manner. So I should first of all write system out println in here. I have to give main string. Main string is like this, I can pass, and then the second line will be the reverse output. So when I right click and run as Java application, so it will give me the main string is Nadeem, and the reverse one is MEEDAN, like this. This is the way. So this is the one of the way how you can reverse your string. The second way is, so I will put a comment section. This is the first way to reverse a given string. But the interviewer will ask you like without using the string buffer, how can you reverse it? So the second way is second way second way to reverse a string by using a for loop. By using a for loop. So second way to reverse a given string is by for loop. So it's a very simple. Let me code it. Then after that you will see. So this is by string buffer class, and this is by for loop. Okay, so how I will do that? So let me take another string str1, so that you will get a difference between the first way and the second way. So the second string, let's take a second string like elephant. Okay, elephant, and this elephant I want to reverse it without using string buffer. So how will I do that? So first of all, I need to define the length of the string, because length will be a kind of the integer. That's why I am putting the primitive data type as int int. So length len equal to str1 dot length. So length is a method available in the string class by which we can find the length of any string, and I have stored in the len variable. So the next thing, how we can reverse it, it's very simple. We have to apply a for loop, and inside the for loop, basically, I have to start with a last character number. Like, so here I have a different characters ELEPHANT. So in this, my last character is T. So I have to start with T, then N, then AH, like this. Then automatically, like, my string will be reversed. So here I have to start with integer length, whatever the length I have taken. So length will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So length will be the 8. But if you talk about the position, so it will consider an index. An index will always start with 0. So I have to iterate the loop with length minus 1, because as per the index, it will be e position is 0, L is 1, E is this one, and at the end T is 7. That's why I have to start with integer length minus 1. I have to start with this one. So I have to take another variable here, I equal to integer I equal to length minus 1 semicolon. You have to put, this is a terminology how we use the for loop. And the next one is you have to iterate with I is greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. So why I am using I minus minus and why I have to put the condition I is greater than equal to 0, that is the reason behind that. There is a logic which I will explain you once my code will be over. So the next thing is like I am going to iterate one by one from the in. So T, then N, then A, then H, like this. So what I will do next, so here I need to define one more string, empty string, so that I will store it the reverse one. So reverse equal to empty string I am putting here. So I am defining a empty string here, so that like once my string will be reversed one by one, then it will be stored into the rev variable. So how it will work? So reverse equal to reverse plus, because we are basically appending the last character, then the second last, the third last, and then it will form a reverse string. So that's why reverse is an empty string. I am appending the characters one by one as per the loop. So how will I get the character as per the position? So there is a method called as caret, which is available in the string class. So we will use like this str1, because this is my string dot caret. Caret, you can see the argument is taking is as a integer index. So I will pass the index. So what will be my index? Index will be my I. Okay. So what is happening here? So I am iterating a loop here. Like, first of all, I should start with length minus 1. So my string length is 8, so 8 minus 1 will be 7. So I am following the index here. So I equal to 7, and 7 is obviously greater than equal to 0, and after that, like, it will decrease. Decrement process will be happen here, like 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 and 0, like this. And it will be taking the characters from the last and storing it inside the rev string, which I have defined as a empty. Now at the last, what I will do, I will print that reverse string outside the loop. If you print this particular string rev inside the loop, then it will basically give you the t, then n, tn, then tna, then tnah, like this it will print. But I don't want to print one by one. I just want to print the reverse string, so that I'm not keeping this system out println reverse inside the loop. So it should be outside the loop. That thing you need to take care of that. Okay. So this particular program will give me the string reverse. So let me run this program. Yeah. So you can see, like, we have an elephant as a reverse thing. So you can see TNAHPELE, that is a reverse of the elephant. So here also I will specify the same thing, but I follow the above. So system out this one, println main string is this one plus str1, and the reverse string is this one. So it will give you the proper output, so that you will understand what is the main string and what is the reverse string. So this is the way, basically there's a first way to reverse a string, and the second way basically is to reverse a string. So there are two ways. First one is by using the string buffer, and another one is by using the for loop. So this is basically one of the very important interview question. I will mark it as a very important interview question, which is generally asked in most of the IT company when you go for the Selenium automation interview. Okay, very important interview question for any tech IT companies. Okay, so I think this is clear. So let me explain you once again. So this way basically is by using a predefined method of the string buffer. So most of the time the interviewer will not expect this program. Most of the interview expect this program. So basically please follow this one instead of this one. But for your understanding, this is also the one of the way to reverse a string. Okay, so the second way is like, you have to first of all define your string, and after that, like, you have to give the main string. Like, this is the way to give the output, and this is you have to basically take the length of the string, and you have to store in the len. And after that, like, I need to specify a one empty string, so that once I will get the reverse string, I will store into that, and I will get the reverse string. So that is the one. Now let me explain this for loop. So I have started the for loop with the seventh position. The reason is I want to reverse a string. So reverse a string means the last character, then the second last, then the third last, like this. Okay, and why I put I is greater than 0 here? Reason is, like, the last character index will be obviously greater than 0, and when it reach the last one, means e. So e will be the index, e index will be 0. That's why I put I is greater than equal to 0. So it will run into the loop 765 like this, and it will end at I is less than 0. So when it reach I is less than 0, then it will automatically break the loop, and then reverse string will be which we will got. So that is the one of the program which is quite important in this one. Okay, so so this is all about this first session for the one of the Java interview question. So I think yeah, this is all about from my side in the first year Java interview questions. So let me know in the comment section if you have more appropriate way to reverse a string, so that you can put in the comment section, and please like and subscribe the channel so that I will make more videos on the Java interview questions. Thank you so much.